Shakira, okay?
Ganda
Jessica yan.
Magpakilala ka nga. I am the rain siren of the Philippines, Ann Curtis!
The rain siren.
Nice to meet you!
Hi, Rain.
Nice
wala
to
maulan.
meet you! Yes, maulan, maulan.
Thank you, Ann. Thank you.
The rain siren is in the house.
Thank you, Marimar.
Maraming salamat.
Nag-concert ka kagabi, Ate Ann.
Ha?
Nag-concert ka siguro kagabi.
Yes, kaya maulan today. Katulad na lang ng summer, graduate ng summer. It's graduation season na!